Hi, I got sent this to me from FanttikRide as a gift, and I just wanted to open it up with you and just kind of show you how it was packaged and just the quality and kind of first impressions of the ride. So I do like how it was packaged. It did have foam securing everything to make sure that nothing was like being kind of bumped around or thrown around. Everything was individually packaged, and there was only separate parts, or sorry, four separate parts if you include the big ride itself. So it does have the wheels, it had the steering wheel, it had the little steering column that goes from the steering wheel to the wheels, and then it just had the big ride itself. So everything was super self-explanatory when it came to setting it up. It came with instructions and they were very self-explanatory as well. So I just unpackaged everything, got everything ready to go. This little box here is the charging cable for the ride. So it is battery powered. So it does have an accelerator as well as a horn. And so we start off by putting the pole into the wheel section. It is a square pole. It fits into a square section on the wheels, and it comes with the screw and bolt, and all you do is you screw that into like through the hole, and then that part is ready. Then you stick it up through the ride itself and connect the steering wheel, and just make sure that the arrow on the steering wheel and the arrow on the wheels are facing the same way. And then you stick the steering wheel onto the pole, make sure it's a square on a square, and then you just stick the nut and bolt through that as well, tighten it, and then you are ready to ride. All right, so it does have the charging outlet as well as the on and off switch on the bottom here. So before you can use any of the battery powered options, you need to make sure you turn it on, but you do not have to use it like that. You can just sit on it and have it kind of just wheel around as just a normal wiggle car. But if you do turn it on, then you can use the accelerator and the horn.